Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Ambassy Motel. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. This Salina, Kansas motel is 1 mile from Smokey River Museum's 24,000 artifact collection and 12 miles from Rolling Hills Wildlife Adventures. Guests of the Ambassy Motel will enjoy free Wi-Fi and an on-site laundromat. All rooms at Ambassy Motel feature a microwave, small refrigerator, and cable TV with HBO movie channels. Accommodations also include a small sitting area. Guests of Ambassy Motel will have access to fax and copying facilities at the 24-hour front desk. A beverage vending machine is available for added convenience. The hotel is a 7-minute drive from the tennis courts and walking trails of Oakdale Park and Central Mall 10 Theater Salina. Downtown Salina is only 1 mile away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.